Hello friends, this is Veer from Saraswati Classes, Narol, Ahmedabad. Friends, as you know that in Standard 11, Chapter number 7, cash book is going on, and in previous lecture we have discussed the definition of cash book and the basic concept of cash book, as we have discussed the types of cash book also over there, and prepared the formats of different kinds of cash book which we have seen: a simple cash book, columnar cash book of 2 columns, cash and discount, bank and discount, cash and bank, and finally 3 columnar cash book in which we discussed cash, bank and discount column method. And also we have discussed a simple cash book question. Today we are going to discuss same columnar method cash book, question number 4 in your book. You can see. Just pause your video and look in your book first of all, then try to solve question with my video. Let's start. From the following transactions, prepare cash and discount columnar cash book of Javlit. So for first of all we'll discuss prepare a columnar cash book: date, income, receipt number, LF number, cash, discount, paid, date, expenditure, voucher number, LF number, cash and cash discount received. We have two sides, debit and credit. Give heading: statement showing columnar cash book in the books of Javlit. So friends, we are dealing here for April 2015, your very first data given to you. Opening cash balance, that is 5,500, right in the cash column by the name of opening balance. Goods of 4,000 sold at 10% cash discount. If we are selling the goods, it's a income of business, right in income column, sales account. 4,000 का 10% निकालेंगे तो 400, that will to be posted in cash column, cash discount column, and the remaining 3,600 that is to be posted cash account. After that, goods of 3,000 to be sold at 10% trade discount. Friends, let me tell you one thing, when there is trade discount given to you, trade discount को minus जरूर करेंगे, but that is not to be shown in the books. So 3,000 में से 10% जरूर माइनस कर देंगे, लेकिन यहाँ पर हम अकाउंट्स में सिर्फ 2,700 की एंट्री करेंगे. सेल है मतलब हमारी इनकम है, तो इनकम के कॉलम में दिखा देंगे बाय द नेम ऑफ सेल्स अकाउंट. Date 5, cash of 2,000 paid to Earth in full settlement of his account 2030. Now we are Javlit, we are paying to Earth, that is the expenditure of business. On the credit side of cash book account, we will write by Earth account. So instead of 2030, we are paying to him only 2,000 rupees. So 30 rupees is to be known as cash discount. Alright friends, do you get it? Ki out of 2030, we are paying him only 2,000 rupees. What about 30 rupees? That is to be treated as cash discount. After that, on date 10, goods of rupees 4,000 purchased at 5% cash discount. We are purchasing the goods, that means that is our expenditure. So write down in the credit side an expenditure column by purchase account. Your goods are 4,000, 5% आपका cash discount less करेंगे. So 4,000, look LC पर 4,000 into 5% निकालेंगे, तो it will be 200 rupees. Then minus equal to करेंगे, तो it will be 3,800 rupees respectively will be to be shown in cash column. After that, salary of 1,000, basis of 600 paid by cash. Okay, salary is also an expenditure and basis also an expenditure we are paying. So write on the expenditure column on date 13 both of the section, by salary account 1,000, by basis account that is 600 rupees respectively. On date 15, commission of rupees 100 and brokerage rupees 900 are received. Now see, in previous transactions salary and basis paid means expenditure of business. Now here it is given commission and brokerage that we are receiving, that is our income. So in income column by the name of commission and brokerage, it is to be written 100 and 900 rupees respectively. In cash column, no discount data is given to you, so nothing is to be posted regarding discount. After that, cash of rupees 1400 paid to Krishna in full settlement of account 1420. Now we are Javlit, we are paying to Krishna means expenditure of for us. So in expenditure column, write down by Krishna account. Actually, the settlement is done. We have to pay 1420, but instead of paying 1420, we have paid only 1400. The 20 rupees that is we are paying, we are not paying, that is treated as discount received. Actually, we have to pay 1420, but instead of paying 1420, we have paid only 1400. सो 20 जो 20 रुपीज़ का जो डिस्काउंट है वो हमें मिला है और इनकम है. सो व्हाट वी हैव डू, वी हैव पोस्टेड ओवर हियर इन दिस सम डिस्काउंट सेक्शन. After that, goods of 5000 sold at 10% trade discount and 5% cash discount. So friends, we are selling it, so it is our income. So write in income column by sales account, take 5000 on CALC minus 10% निकालेंगे, it will be 4500. डायरेक्टली माइनस इसलिए करवा रहा हूँ क्योंकि ट्रेड डिस्काउंट को हम अकाउंट्स में दिखाते ही नहीं है. सो 10% माइनस करने के बाद आपके पास रकम आएगी 4500. राइट फ्रेंड्स, आपको मैं एक और चीज़ बताना चाहता हूँ कि ट्रेड डिस्काउंट और कैश डिस्काउंट यहाँ पर दोनों के ध्यान में लेने हैं. पहले ट्रेड डिस्काउंट माइनस कर देंगे, उसको अकाउंट्स में नहीं दिखाते हैं, इसलिए जो माइनस करने के बाद जो रकम आएगी उस अमाउंट के ऊपर हम कैश डिस्काउंट फॉलो करेंगे. सो 5000 का 10% 500 माइनस किया 4500, उसका 5% निकालते हैं तो 225 इज ट्रीटेड एज कैश डिस्काउंट दैट वी आर पेइंग. अब 4500 में से 225 माइनस करेंगे कैलसी में, तो इट विल बी 4275. मींस एक्चुअली वो जो गुड्स 5000 के दिए हुए हैं, वी आर सेलिंग दोज गुड्स एट 4275 रुपीज ओनली. Why that less amount we are getting? Because we have already given them trade discount 500 and cash discount 225. So the goods of 5000 actually we are selling at only 4275 rupees only. Okay. Then after, a machine of 6000 purchased from Ramesh, for which 2000 paid by cash and another, the remaining amount is to be paid after 1 month. Now in cash book, let me remind you one thing. When we are in subsidy book, we had told to you that up to जब तक full amount pay ना हो, we are treating the whole transaction as credit transaction, right? So full amount is to be taken, but in cash book we have to see one more concept कि आपका 6000 की मशीन थी, she और he is paying only 2000. सो हम सिर्फ जितना पे कर रहे हैं उसकी एंट्री कर देंगे बाय द नेम ऑफ मशीन अकाउंट 2000. व्हाट अबाउट 4000, उसकी हमने जनरल एंट्री लिख दी होगी, है ना. एंट्री कुछ ऐसे लिखी जाएगी, मशीन बिजनेस में आ रही है तो मशीन अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू कैश अकाउंट 2000 एंड द रिमेनिंग बाय द नेम ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन फ्रॉम वेयर वी आर परचेजिंग द मशीन टू बी रिटन द नेम ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन. So that is not concern over here. Over here we have to see only one thing, what amount you are paying. We are paying 2000. That 2000 will be noted by the name of machine account. After that, as more funds are required in the business, household furniture of 3000 is sold for 3500, and out of these 2500 are to be bought in the business. Now let me clear one thing. There is three amounts given to you: 3000, 3500 and 2500. Machine furniture was of 3000 rupees. We are selling at 3500 rupees, but bringing in the business only 2500 rupees. So we'll take only that thing what amount we are bringing in our business. So we are bringing actually 2500 rupees in our business. So who brings that? Obviously, except owner, no one is going to bring that money or anything in the business, है ना. So only the one person who is the owner of the business brings something in business, so that is known as capital. So write in income column to capital account, that is 2500. Now no one is going to issue, sir, we have sold the furniture 3500, why are we bringing only 2500 rupees? It is my concern whether I am taking 1000, I am bringing 2000 or 2500 rupees, or whatever I have done of extra 1000, that is doesn't matter of yours. Whatever we are bringing over here in our business, that should be taken into consideration. So only 2500 की एंट्री हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे पोस्ट कर देंगे. ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, चलते हैं आगे. ₹225 पेड टू व्यापारी महामंडल टुवर्ड्स एनुअल फीस. ओके, खर्चा ही हमारा. सो by Vyapari Mahamandal annual fees 225 in cash section to be shown. गोडाउन रेंट 600 पेड एक्सपेंस है, दिखा लिया वहाँ पर खर्च के कॉलम में, एंड कैरी इज ऑल्सो 300 टू बी पेड. सो वी आर पेइंग द एक्सपेंसेस, both are written in the expenditure column. So after doing these all transaction, we will close first of all income section. We can see income section में आपका 19,575 rupees निकलता है इनकम का. Out of which if we are deducting the expenses, if they are 11,925, डिफरेंस निकालें तो by balance carried forward जो क्लोजिंग बैलेंस है वो है 7,650 रुपीज़ का. ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, तो डिफरेंस के रूप में कितना है कैरी फॉरवर्ड 7650. डिस्काउंट के कॉलम का टोटल जरूर करेंगे 625 डेबिट साइड और 250 मतलब क्रेडिट साइड पर हम कभी डिफरेंस नहीं निकालेंगे, उसका ये चीज़ आप खास ध्यान रखिएगा. अगर अप्रैल की क्लोजिंग आपकी 30 अप्रैल की क्लोजिंग 7650 है, वही क्लोजिंग अगले मंथ ऑन वेरी फर्स्ट मई को बैलेंस ब्रॉड फॉरवर्ड के नाम पे हम 7650 की एंट्री क्या करेंगे, पोस्ट कर देंगे. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि आज का जो क्लोजिंग है वो शाम को दुकान जब बंद हुई उस टाइम जो क्लोजिंग निकला वो ऑन द वेरी नेक्स्ट डे इट विल बी द ओपनिंग बैलेंस फॉर द दैट पर्टिकुलर शॉप. सो ओके फ्रेंड, दिस इज ऑल अबाउट दिस क्वेश्चन. आई होप आप लोगों को ये क्वेश्चन समझ में आ गया होगा. तो अगर क्वेश्चन समझ में आया है तो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टिल देन बाय बाय, सी यू, हैव अ नाइस डे.